Hello everyone, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And right now I'm going to talk about one of the another important certification of CCNA, which is called CCNA Cloud, and what will you learn during your preparation of the CCNA Cloud. Since Cisco company does not have enough experience, see, I'm not saying 0, 10, or I can levelize or I can give percentage numbers, but compared to other, for example, VM, Arista, Citrix, such as Microsoft, they have enough experience about the cloud environment, and Cisco has a certification for their fan if they want to get the certification for Cisco cloud environment as well. It doesn't mean that Cisco doesn't have any cloud environment, it does, but most of the people trying to get the VM, because the good thing with the VM, they were very smart. At the beginning, they taught their followers the virtualization. Before we dive into cloud environment, if you know the virtualization such as workstation, VM workstation, if you know how the VM workstation work, you can do the same configuration or the same administration to the cloud environment as well. With the CCNA Cloud certification, you will learn and will understand the Cisco Cloud fundamental, how it works, where it is, and how to add and remove some of the basic stuff. Plus, introducing the Cisco Cloud administration. This is the most important part for the Cisco Cloud environment, because you know how to add, how to remove, how to modify. It's like how to copy, how to snapshot of the servers. So it is hard for the cloud because it's totally different environment. I mentioned with my previous videos as well, if you have a passion about routing and switching, you have to throw yourself in routing and switching. You don't have to worry about the cloud environment. If you're a big fan of security, you have to throw yourself in security. If you have a big fan of clouding environment, then this is a different environment. With this level, with administration, you will learn how to add, modify, copy, so on. Yeah, this is all about the CCNA cloud environment. It's very interesting, very interesting. If you are a big fan of learning cloud environment, I will suggest you to get the CCNA cloud certification. Let's talk about one of the another most interesting part for me, and I will suggest most of you to learn, is a CCNA wireless. It's very interesting, and let's see what a CCNA wireless subjects are and which kind of topic you may encounter during of your preparation. Okay, before I start talking about the CCNA wireless technology, I have a philosophy and I want to tell you. This is what I shared with my friend, and he was confused until I explained each and everything with more detail. I told him that what you see is not true. He was confused, like, wait a second, what do you mean that what I see is not true? He said, I can see you, I can see the river, I can see the tree, I can see the sand. I said, no, when I talk to you through the phone, can you see any data in here? He was like, oh yeah, that's true, I can see that because we are talking. There's a protocol between A and B, between two devices, so I can see that stuff. How do I know? And he told me, how do I know how to see that data or how to see that kind of frequency? My suggestion was, try to get your CCNA wireless technology certification. Then you will learn what is wireless technology and how you can see that kind of frequencies which we can see. So long story short, I didn't want to eat up your time. Let's talk about CCNA wireless certification and what will you encounter during of your preparation. The first thing is a radio frequency signal and modulation. It's very interesting portion, and you will encounter this question, and you may face some of this question during of the exam as well. So radio frequency standards, such as we have a SHF, which is stand for super high frequency, which we are using for 5G as well, which is start from 3 gigahertz up to 30 gigahertz. And same as a VHF, very high frequency, which is start from 30 megahertz and to 300 megahertz, which we are using for TV frequencies. Such as for the Wi-Fi technology, we have a 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, which is standard for Wi-Fi or data communication. And you will understand the wireless antenna. We have omnidirection, we have a bidirection. Bidirection, let me give you a short definition. This is the bidirection, for example, point to point, and omnidirection is a circle, and so on. Okay, wireless security. For the wireless security, you will learn what is WEP and what is the purpose of having WEP, how to protect our computer, how to protect and how to block and how to eliminate, how to control the traffic while we are using WEP, and what is the purpose of having WEP1, WEP2, and so on. It's very interesting. I need your attention while you are preparing yourself. As I mentioned with my previous video, you don't have to worry about the certification. It's okay, you will get, eventually you will get the certification, but the most important part which I want you to remain in your mind is the concept of each and everything. The last but not least, you will learn how to configure wireless local area network devices such as wireless router, wireless access point, wireless controller, wireless modem, and so on. Understanding of wireless controller. You will learn what is wireless controller, what is the purpose of wireless controller, when do we need to purchase, when do we need to add wireless controller in our network topology or network infrastructure. I hope the all information was very helpful. Don't forget to share this all information with your friend through your social media, whether you are using Facebook, LinkedIn, any types of platform. And if the information was very helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until next time, stay safe, be brave and smart, and be prepared as well for this kind of certification as well. Take care.